students, good morning. Welcome back to online video class. You are watching class 5 subject social lesson 5 continents and oceans part 3. As you already know that the earth is divided into 7 continents. They are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Asia and Australia. Already we have discussed about North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica and Asia in the last video class. Today we are going to discuss about Europe and Australia. Europe and Australia. First, we will see about Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Along with Australia, it also includes New Zealand and innumerable small islands. These islands are collectively known as Oceania. Now we will see some interesting facts about Australia. The highest mountain of Australia is Mount Kosciuszko with 7,310 feet. Australia is the world's largest exporter of coal. Sydney is Australia's biggest city. The Great Barrier Reef in eastern Australia is the biggest coral reef system in the world. The reef consists of more than 3,000 reefs and 900 islands. The Barrier Reef is home to over 350 species of corals and over 1,500 species of fish. Australia consists of 6 states: Western Australia, South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania, New South Wales and Queensland. So you can see here Sydney here and Melbourne. Next, we are going to see about Europe. Europe is the 6th largest and most industrialized continent in the world. European continent is located completely in the northern hemisphere and mainly in the eastern hemisphere. Europe borders onto Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean in the west and Mediterranean Sea in the south. There are 50 countries in Europe. Some of the countries are United Kingdom, Scotland, England, Spain, France, Germany, Poland, Ukraine, Romania, Turkey. And see here Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country not only in Europe but also in the world. See here United Kingdom, Germany, France and Italy are some of the most advanced countries of this continent. Europe is often known as the peninsula of peninsulas. It is because of two reasons. Firstly, it has several peninsulas like the Scandinavian peninsula, Balkan and Italian peninsulas. Peninsula. What is meant by peninsula? Peninsula is a portion of land nearly surrounded by water or 3 sides are surrounded by water. Scandinavian countries are Norway and Sweden. And secondly, Europe itself looks like a giant peninsula. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean on the west and the Mediterranean Sea on the south. An ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. This is the equator. Equator divides the earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean has North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. First, we are going to see about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean of the world and covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. The Pacific Ocean is located between Americas to the east of the Pacific Ocean basin and Asian and Australian continents to the west. As I said earlier in the last slide, the equator divides the Pacific Ocean into the North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. The ring of fire is located in the Pacific Ocean. What is the ring of fire? Most of the volcanoes on the earth are located in the Pacific Ocean basin. The volcanoes actually form a ring around the basin and therefore it is called the ring of fire. There is a string of volcanoes in the Pacific Ocean which are still active and therefore many of the world's major earthquakes and volcanic eruption happen in this region. And one more interesting point is the lowest known point on earth is called the Challenger Deep. The lowest known point on earth is called the Challenger Deep. It is located in the Pacific Ocean near the Philippines. See, at the end of the Mariana Trench. The depth is about 10,920 meters. Next we are going to discuss about Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean and it is located between Africa, Asia, Australia and Southern Ocean. Indian Ocean has an average depth of 3,963 meters and the Java Trench is its deepest point. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Andaman, Red Sea are the important parts of this ocean. Next we are going to discuss about Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean in the world and is between the continents of America, Europe and Africa. Atlantic Ocean is about half the size of Pacific Ocean and covers roughly 20% of the Earth's surface. However, it is growing in size as it is spreading along the mid-Atlantic coast. A submerged mountain range known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is located on its floor. The peaks of this ridge form many islands in this ocean. Did you know that the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is the longest mountain range on the earth? It spreads from Iceland to Antarctica beneath the Atlantic. Next we are going to discuss about the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean. It is also known as Antarctic Ocean. It is formed by merging of the southern extension of Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean and an average depth ranging from 4,000 to 5,000 meters. Southern Ocean is located around the South Pole across the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere of Antarctica. Southern Ocean is the home of emperor penguins and wandering albatrosses. Next we are going to see about Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the world's smallest ocean. It extends from Europe, Asia and North America. Its average depth is 3,953 feet. And it remains frozen in most parts and almost throughout the year. However, as the Earth's climate changes, the polar regions are warming and much of the ice pack melts during the summer months. The Arctic Ocean is located around the North Pole across the Arctic Circle. There are many polar bears living on the Arctic ice. Do you know that the Arctic Ocean's ice covers are shrinking by 8% every 10 years? That's all student. We have completed the 5th lesson and now we will see the book exercise. First we will see exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Refer page number 31. First question. Dash and dash cover dash and dash % of the earth's surface respectively. Answer is land, water, 29 and 71. Second question. Dash and dash are the largest landform and water body on earth respectively. The answer is Asia and Pacific Ocean are the largest landform and water body on earth respectively. Third question. Dash connects North America to South America and dash separates it from Asia. So the answer is Isthmus of Panama connects North America to South America and Bering Sea separates it from Asia. Fourth one. Dash is the highest peak in Africa. Answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. Fifth one. Southern Ocean is also known as the Dash Ocean. The answer is Antarctic Ocean. Next, exercise B, match the following. First question, Pacific Ocean. The answer is Mariana Trench. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. Answer is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Third one, Indian Ocean, triangle in shape. Fourth one, Antarctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Fifth one, Arctic Ocean, Arctic Circle. Use pencil to write the book exercise. Is it clear, students? Complete the worksheet 1 given in your book. Refer page number 33 and do one mark question alone. A. Choose the correct answer. B. Fill in the blanks. And C. Match the following. Use pencil to write the answer. Is it clear, students? No need to send it to mail. Just you complete it and keep it with you. Is it clear? Lesson 5. One more question and worksheet 1. One more question alone. You do it and keep it with you. No need to send it to mail. Thank you, students. Meet you all in the next video.